Hey everyone, ever wonder how coffee shops get that perfectly creamy foam on your latte? What if you could make that exact same texture right at home without the barista training? Welcome back to Tech Product. Today we are checking out the best electric foam maker for coffee that promises cafe quality results with zero fuss. Let's get started. The Instant Pot electric foam maker for coffee is here to change your morning routine. Instant Pot, the brand many of us already trust for reliable kitchen gadgets, has created this little machine to bring the coffeehouse experience to your countertop. It feels thoughtfully designed from the start. The standout feature is its 4 different functions. You are not limited to just one type of foam. You get cold foam for iced drinks, light warm foam for a classic cappuccino, dense warm foam for a rich latte, and a simple milk warming option. This flexibility means you can craft exactly the drink you are craving, whether it is a chilly iced coffee or a soothing hot chocolate. The results are impressively smooth and consistent. Each cycle creates an even creamy texture that makes your drink look professional and taste better. It is not just for coffee either. You can use it to prepare froth milk for matcha or just to warm milk for a cozy evening beverage. Using the Instant Pot electric foam maker is incredibly straightforward. There are only 2 intuitive buttons. You select your desired function, press start, and let it work. Want to stop it early? Just press again. There are no complicated menus or confusing settings to figure out. Despite its compact size, the capacity is generous. It can froth up to 8.5 ounces of milk or heat up to 17 ounces at once. That is plenty for a large personal drink or to share between 2 cups. For something that takes up so little counter space, that is a real advantage. Operation is also quiet. The motor runs smoothly without noises, so you can prepare your morning coffee early without disturbing anyone else in the house. It keeps your kitchen calm and peaceful. Safety features are clearly built in. The Instant Pot electric foam maker for coffee operates at 500 watts for efficient heating and frothing. It carries UL and ULC certification, includes built-in overheat protection, and has an auto-off feature. This means if you get distracted, it will shut itself off automatically for peace of mind. Handling is comfortable and safe. The exterior remains cool to the touch during use, so there is no risk of burning your hands. The ergonomic side handle provides a secure grip, and the specially shaped spout allows for smooth, controlled pouring. You can guide the foam right where you want it. Cleaning up is hassle-free. The lid and whisk are dishwasher safe, which means less scrubbing and more time enjoying your perfectly frothed drink. The design is elegant and modern. It does not feel bulky and fits beautifully on any kitchen counter. The Instant Pot electric foam maker for coffee blends style, function, and comfort in a way that feels perfectly at home. That is how you bring the cafe home. Check the price link in the description, and do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more brilliant kitchen finds. Thanks for tuning in, and catch you in the next one.